Good afternoon, everyone. So the picture which is shown to us, I observed that there was a boy named Rohit, 20 years old. He is a student of environmental studies in National PG College in Lucknow. While visiting his hometown at Hardoi, he was passing by a bridge. While standing on the bridge, he just remembered the past year, that how he and his friends took the initiative to clean the river side, as he and his friends cleaned the river by picking up the debris, and also by putting the banners, and also including other peoples and aware other peoples to help them while cleaning the rivers. And also they also made an awareness page on the social media, where the more people can gather and took the initiative and help the other peoples to clean their nearby water bodies, to clean the nearby water bodies, and aware more and more people about it, that how our natural water bodies is so essential for us. Thank you. That's all.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive 5 characters. 2 are female and 3 are males. My central character is Rohan. He is 25 years old. He is the supervisor of Patna Zoo. And he helps.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, my friend. In this picture, I observed 5 characters. The main character is Rohit, and his age 23 years and mood neutral. He observed 2 couple, one couple in a road and second couple in a river. Second couple, he is married, and in a river couple unmarried. And he say, my friend here, and I enjoy a nature of beauty.
Good afternoon, everyone. In the picture, I saw 5 characters in this pictures. Rahul is a main character in this picture. Rahul is a 22-year-old, and he decided to enjoy his journey with a boat. He is a boat traveler, and he enjoying the river journey through the hill area with his wife.
From the picture, I perceived there were 5 characters. All were male and age around 25 years. And mood positive. The action of my story is the construction of dam. So Raj is a civil engineer of the Border Road Organization. He has got the responsibility to make a dam over the Jhelum River. So he and his team went to the site and cordoned all the places there, and he has look all the necessary things that is required to be done there. So he has made a recommendation and submitted his report to the government, and he has made that the local residents should be provided the relief funds. They should be relocated to other places. So finally the dam has been constructed, and it helps a lot for the national importance also. It was a multi-purpose dam. It generated electricity, and it also helps for the production of it helps in irrigation. That's all.
Jai Hind friends, I perceive total 5 characters in my story, in which 2 are females and 3 are males. Central character of my story is Sukesh, whose age was 21 years old. He is a BSc graduate from Kanpur. In summer vacation, he decided to go for a vacation in Uttarakhand. Next day, when he visited to Uttarakhand, he decided to go for a morning walk in a valley. In a valley, he saw that many people are enjoying the scene. When he was standing on a bridge, he saw that the bridge was too poor condition and not repaired from a long time, and it may casualty in a future. So he wrote a letter to the higher authority by awareing that the condition of the bridge. After that, he also took help of the people and put a notice to that the bridge is not in a well condition. After that, he enjoyed his trip and came back to his home. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I perceive 5 character all in positive mode, and main character is Ram. He is 24-year-old and a student of BTech, and he planned to visit Haridwar with his friends, and he observed and guide stand from the bridge, and how to live if you alone in if you trap any problem, and always helps to people.
Hello everyone. I perceived 5 characters in the picture. Two are male and three female. The Sohan is the main character of the picture. So he is a serving candidate in Indian Army. On the holiday, he went to morning. He went to walk. He went to walk in the bridge. In the bridge at the bank of river, and he saw two couple, and he feels that the same condition is in your village, and thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Abhay Gubrele. I perceive in the picture 5 character. 2 is female and 3 is male, with the age group 25 to 30. The main character of my story is Ram. He is a 28-year-old, and he is a major in army, and he did not take any leave after a long time. So he take leave, and he returned home and meet his family. After that, he organized a evening walk with his family and enjoy river boats. So he stand on the bridge and think about his childhood memory, and after the enjoying, he returned back home. Thank you.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive 5 characters. Mood positive. Action of my story is helping the tourist. Ram, 28 years old, which is the leading character of my story, was a newly recruited forest departmental officer. When he was on his duty and enjoying the nature from the bridge, he saw that the 2 tourists who were sailing the boat under the river had fallen into the river. Ram uses his sudden attentiveness, and he get off from the bridge and tied the rope from the tree and throw that rope to the tourists, which helped them from getting off the rivers, and he also provided the medical facility to all the tourists, and all the tourists were very pleased with the work done by the Ram. Thank you.
Hello friends, I have perceived 3 male and 2 female characters in the picture shown to us. All are in positive mood, and the action is to explore wildlife in nearby jungle in Dehradun. Suraj 22, a nature lover, once got opportunity in summer vacation to visit a jungle near Dehradun. He invited his also friends, packed his bag, took permission from his parents, and reached there by train. He firstly, while passing through the bridge, he saw the fishes which are in the river. He decided to take picture from of those fishes, and there was a garbage always there, and he also removed the garbage from there. And after that, later he met one of tribal group, and he also learned from them how to protect our wildlife, how to conserve our forest. So, and after that, they have enjoyed a lot, and he noted down his memories, and later he came back to home, and he also wrote an article on Quora. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. In this picture I perceive 5 characters. 3 are male, 2 are female. Rohan was my main character. Rohan was the student of class 12th. One day he go to picnic Himachal Pradesh with his family. He enjoy more with his family, like as drive boat and waterfalls, and this picnic was more enjoyable, and he come back to home, and he learned a lot of this journey about history of Himachal Pradesh and geography of Himachal Pradesh.
Good morning everyone. From pictures shown to us, I perceive five characters. 2 are female
and 3 are male. My action of the story visiting Uttarakhand hills. My center of the character is Ram. The age is 25. He planned planned our friend to going Uttarakhand village, Uttarakhand hills, and we organize organizing many things like boating, rafting, and campsite bonfire, and we all enjoying as well, and we come back our home and write some articles from seeing Uttarakhand hills and thank you.
Hello friends, a picture shown to us. I have seen 5 characters, 3 are male and 2 are females. My action of the story is to develop the bridge for the villagers. My main character of the story is Kareem. Kareem was 24 years old and he was a newly appointed as a SDM in a district, Mount district, and he saw and analyzed the area and he saw the bridge was totally damaged for the villagers, and he immediately called his teams and the constructors and the forest department, and he was newly get the permission for the government, and he saw and he was he was taking these actions, and his team was take the action of this and the village. Thank you.
In the picture, I have seen only 5 characters. 3 are male and 2 are female. Central character in my story is Ram, age 18 years old, mood positive. My story revolves around him, and my action of the story thinking about his upcoming SSB. Ram was a college student. Currently, he was pursuing BSc from Allahabad University. Recently, he cracked NDA examination and tomorrow his SSB interview. Now he was thinking on the bridge, tomorrow is my SSB interview, how to narrate the story when the assessor is sitting before me. On the spot, a creative thought came into his mind, and he thought that I will not think.
Friends, from the picture I perceive 5 characters, 3 male and 2 females, age around 18 to 25 years old and mood positive. The action of my story is enjoying Manali trip and doing social work. Raj, 18 years old BSc student, went to trip to Manali with his classmates and friends by his school. For the next 2 days, he explored local markets and all the monuments. On the next day, in the evening, he went to visit a sacred river, Ganga. From there, while exploring, he saw that the peoples are throwing garbage. The tourists are not taking care of the cleanliness. They are throwing garbages. So he decided to clean the nearby area of the river. He with his friends cleared the river. He collected all the garbages and thrown them into dustbins. And seeing them work, some people got influenced, and they also helped them in cleaning the river area. Through this, he made his trip memorable.
Hello everyone. In picture I perceived 5 characters, 3 are male and 2 are female. Age between 20 to 27. The central character of my story is Aditya. He is studying in environmental school in Kanpur. After a festival holiday, he decided to visit in Uttarakhand, and he went to Uttarakhand and visited all the places and know all about the things, and come after the home he tell about the details of the Uttarakhand, how the people live there.
Jain friends, as per me, there are 5 characters in the image. 3 are male and 2 are female. My main character is Ram, 22 years old. He was a soldier in Indian Army. In his vacation, he went to hill station, and there he saw 2 couples. One couple are boating in the river, and second are walking on the bank of the river. Sometime a couple got injured, and he went to them and helped them, and he also aware them to be careful in the bank of river, and that's all things.
From the shown picture, I have perceived 5 characters. 3 are male and 2 are female. The main character of my story is Sohan, a 31-year-old man. The action of my story is learn with fun. The story goes like this. Ram, Sohan, a 31-year-old man, serving as an assistant commander in the NDRF. He was on leave. He planned for a Nainital trip with his family, where firstly he checked their climatic condition of the Nainital for better picnic, and after that he booked tickets from the IRCTC for the Nainital, where he after that he went to reach Nainital for their picnic, where he teaches how to do boat riding with her with their child and their family. After that, after completing their enjoying their picnic and environment, he went back to his home. While during coming back to our home, they discuss with their children that how they have what they have learned about the nature and how they have learned about to raft the boat.
Good morning, friends. I observe 5 characters in my story, in which 2 are females and 3 are males. All are in positive mood. Their age are between 18 to 24. The action of my story is to see the beauty of the city. In my story, Shaur is the main character. Shaur is a student of Lucknow Public School who went to the Gomti Nagar river front, and while standing on the bridge, he is viewing the beauty of his city. He also observed that the couples and families are enjoying their free time over there. Shaur used to come to that place every weekend and do some yoga sessions, interact with new peoples, and view the city beauty of his city. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I perceive 5 characters in this story. 3 are males and 2 are females. And the character whom I saw first is Prakash. His age group between 21 years old. And rest of my character all are in positive mood, and rest of characters is between 18 to 32 years. 32 years. Next one of my story is going for river rafting training. So my story goes like this. So Prakash was a river rafting trainer along with his family. He enjoyed Himachal Pradesh, and at the free time they used to go fishing and fire camping. And one of them brother is geologist who finds about the rocks, and one of them brother is preparing for environment project of the school. And with his family he also enjoyed culture and tradition. He knows very well about the culture and tradition about that place. At the end of the day, they got back home happily and shared memories with each other. Thank you.
Pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. We'll have 2 groups having discussion. We'll have 125 to 148 one group, and 1532 to 216 other group. Okay? So we heard the first group first. Please start.
Okay, gentlemen. First of all, we'll start the story from by choosing the background of the story, and make the hero which is on the bridge. Yeah. First
see the river, which is the natural water body, as it symbolizes the ultimate source of life. So we should in the picture we can also clarify that this is for the conservation of our natural body, for the and also the near around area.
I agree with you, just number 1 to 5. According to me, let me have the show the helping behavior because he is having a very clear view from the bridge, so we can show as a very helping behavior towards us. According to me, the sailor, the 2 boatsmen were sailing into the river. Yeah, first our theme should be clear. What is our theme? So discuss about the theme. According to me, by helping the nature. Do you agree with me? 1 to 5? By making an accident, like they are fallen from into the river, and by showing them, he went off of the bridge and helped them. This would be my opinion.
In my opinion, that it should be the It should be the environmentalist who is taking care of the river.
Okay, let's go.
What is
so just go with them, okay?
Because the environmentalist who has seen that the river is in very poor condition, so he decided to went to the village, nearby villages, and
Let's hear the second group now.
Let's start with the main character. Let's start with the main character that what
from the picture that is the background of the picture of hilly areas, so we can assume that the students went to on a trip.
I believe one night
main character Ram is a young boy and we should make a story that can make it.
I agree with all of it. We can make the main character the person who is standing on the bridge. We can go through that and reach the video of the bridge.
Along with his family goes to river rafting in Himachal Pradesh. One of them brother is geologist who found about the rocks, and one of them brother is prepare for environment project, and they in the free time they have to enjoy the camping.
We can also add one thing that 119 said.
So first of all,
we can go with the helping nature that they are also adding the So friends, let's go with the 119 story. Using that
we have only last 1 minute. Discuss all together and come out with the common group story.
Okay,
Every time up, any one of you nominated by group members can get up and give common group story.
I want to.
Chest number 125. Chest number 199.
Okay, so we have to find 5 characters in this story, and 3 males and 2 are females, and all are in positive mood. And the characters who I have seen first is Prakash, and in this picture the action of my story is going for river rafting training. So Prakash was a river rafting trainer along with his family. He enjoyed Himachal Pradesh, and one of them brother is geologist who finds about the rocks, and one of them brother preparing for their environment project which held on next day of that school. And along with his family they know about the culture and tradition of that state, and they enjoy very much. And at the end of the day they got back home happily and shared memories with each other.